Is your patio feeling a little plain? You don't need a big budget or fancy tools to turn it into something beautiful. In this video, we'll explore 15 cozy creative patio garden ideas that look like they came from a magazine, but are incredibly easy to do yourself. Idea 1. Raised planters on wheels, garden comfort at waist height. For many seniors, kneeling in the dirt or carrying heavy pots just isn't realistic anymore. Raised planters solve this. They stand at waist height so you can garden while standing or sitting in a chair. Add wheels, and suddenly you can move them easily to follow the sun or roll them away in bad weather. These planters are perfect for growing herbs, salad greens, or flowers. You get the joy of gardening without the pain in your knees or back. Plus, they look clean, organized, and modern, like something from a designer magazine but made by you. Idea 2. Vertical herb wall from a painted palette. A living wall of scent and color. Take an old wooden palette, smooth the edges and paint it a gentle shade like sky blue or pale green. Stand it vertically against a wall or railing. Then place small pots of herbs, like rosemary, basil, and thyme, into each slat or attach metal cup holders. This simple structure turns into a living wall full of scent and life. Not only does it save space, but it also brings your garden up to eye level, where you can enjoy the color and aroma every day. Watering is easy, harvesting is fun, and it adds a fresh, natural texture to your patio. Idea 3. DIY water feature. Peaceful sound from simple pieces. A tabletop water fountain is one of the easiest ways to add a feeling of peace to your patio, and you can build it in under an hour. Stack 2 or 3 ceramic bowls of different sizes. Use smooth stones to hide a small pump, sold for less than $15 online. Add water, plug it in, and enjoy the soft sound of trickling water. It's calming for your mind, attracts birds, and creates gentle movement. No plumbing. No digging. Just plug and enjoy. This is a perfect afternoon project that feels luxurious and looks like something that costs much more than it does. Idea 4. Grouping pots with height and color. Easy design with big impact. Design doesn't have to be complicated. One trick that makes any garden look professional is grouping pots by height and color. Place a tall plant like lavender or ornamental grass in the back, a medium-sized flowering plant in the middle, and a trailing vine like ivy or petunias in front. Choose pots that match, terracotta, white, or pastel. This creates visual depth and balance, even in a small space. It also makes watering and care easier. Everything's together in one group. You'll be surprised how this small change makes your patio look pulled together and intentional. Idea 5. Old shoe rack as a tiered garden stand. Genius reuse. If you've got an old shoe rack collecting dust, bring it outside. It's already designed to hold weight evenly, and it becomes a perfect tiered garden stand. Line each level with flower pots or small herb containers. You've just added vertical gardening space without buying anything new. It works great in tight spaces because it builds upward, not outward. It's easy to move, simple to water, and adds a charming lived-in feeling to your patio. Guests won't believe it used to hold shoes, and you'll love how it turns your corner into a cozy little greenhouse. Idea 6. Flameless lanterns for soft, safe evening light. There's something magical about warm lights on a quiet patio evening. Flameless LED lanterns give you that glow, safely. They flicker like real candles but run on batteries or solar power. Set them on tables, steps, or hang them from hooks or tree branches. They automatically light up at dusk and turn off at dawn. No cords, no fire hazard. Perfect for anyone who wants a peaceful atmosphere without worrying about safety. They're also a great option if you live in a retirement community with outdoor safety rules. Cozy, elegant, and totally senior-proof. Idea 7. Hanging buckets on a curtain rod. Simple vertical charm. Buy a metal curtain rod, mount it along a wall or balcony railing, and hang small galvanized buckets from S-hooks. Fill each bucket with cheerful flowers like marigolds or daisies. The effect is like a floral curtain, soft, colorful, and full of life. It takes up almost no floor space and adds vertical interest. Plus, the height keeps the plants safe from pets or critters. It's also easy to water with a small watering can. This is one of the easiest DIYs that adds visual drama and charm, and all it takes is a rod and a few hanging pots. Idea 8. Patio tomatoes in deep containers. Fresh harvest at arm's reach. You don't need a big garden to grow tomatoes. Just one deep container is enough. Choose compact patio varieties like Tiny Tim or Patio Princess. Plant them in 5-gallon buckets with holes for drainage, and place them where they get 6 to 8 hours of sun. Use lightweight soil and add a small stake to support the plant as it grows. Water regularly and enjoy homegrown tomatoes without kneeling, weeding, or digging. It's satisfying, easy, and tasty, the kind of gardening that brings results with minimal effort. Idea 9. Artificial grass mat, soft green without the work. Sometimes just adding green changes everything. A realistic piece of artificial grass, the kind sold in garden centers, can be placed directly over concrete or tile. It instantly softens the space underfoot and gives the feeling of a lush yard. No mowing, no watering, no maintenance. Choose a soft pile so it's comfortable to walk on even barefoot. Add a rocking chair or planter beside it and your patio feels like a small park. It's a perfect solution if you miss grass but don't want the upkeep. Idea 10. Solar string lights, gentle glow with zero effort. String lights are one of the easiest ways to make your patio feel magical, especially in the evening. Use solar-powered ones that charge during the day and glow at night. Drape them along railings, wrap them around a pergola, or weave them through plants. They automatically turn on at dusk so you never have to think about it. No cords, no batteries, and no worry about rain. The soft light adds warmth and atmosphere. Perfect for relaxing with a cup of tea or hosting a quiet evening with friends or neighbors. Idea 11. Corner shelf garden. Turn unused space into beauty. Most patios have a forgotten corner. That's the perfect place for a small 3-tier shelf. Use each level for a different plant. Bright flowers on top, leafy greens in the middle, and low-maintenance succulents below. It creates height, saves space, and makes care easier. Just one corner to water and tend. Choose a shelf made of weatherproof metal or treated wood, or repurpose an old indoor shelf with a layer of outdoor sealant. You'll be amazed how this small structure turns an empty corner into a vibrant little garden stage. Idea 12. Strawberry planter from an old laundry basket. Have an old plastic laundry basket? Line it with landscape fabric or burlap, fill it with soil, and plant strawberries around the top and sides. The fabric keeps the soil in while the basket's holes provide airflow and drainage. The best part, it's lightweight and easy to move. Set it in a sunny spot and water daily. You'll enjoy sweet berries right at home with no bending and no expensive planters. It's one of those, why didn't I do this sooner, ideas that brings joy to your patio. And snacks too. Idea 13. One comfortable rocking chair can change everything. You don't need a full set of patio furniture. Sometimes one well-chosen chair makes all the difference. Invest in a sturdy, weatherproof rocking chair with cushions. Place it in a shaded spot with a small side table nearby. Suddenly, your patio becomes your favorite place to relax, read, or sip coffee. You don't need guests or big changes, just a cozy corner that invites peace. Add a potted plant or lantern nearby and the space feels complete. Aging gracefully often means simplifying, and this is the perfect example. Idea 14. Outdoor wall art or hand-painted mural. Add personality. Who says walls have to be boring? Add weatherproof art, metal garden signs, or even paint your own mural with acrylics. Use soft colors, sky blue, cream, moss green, and themes like flowers, birds, or butterflies. Art transforms hard surfaces into soft experiences. It makes your space feel personal, creative, and alive. Don't worry if you're not an artist. Even simple patterns or stencils bring joy. And the act of painting itself? Relaxing, meditative, and confidence-boosting, especially when it greets you every time you step outside. Idea 15. Bird feeder on a cane. Invite life without bending. Take an old cane or walking stick, anchor it in a flower pot filled with rocks or concrete, and hang a bird feeder from the handle. Place it near your seating area. Birds will visit throughout the day, adding sound, motion, and joy to your patio. You don't have to reach high or lift anything heavy. The feeder is at eye level, easy to refill, and safe from squirrels. It's a clever, meaningful way to bring nature close, and turns your garden into a place full of life and small surprises. And there you have it, 15 simple, budget-friendly ways to make your patio feel cozy, inviting, and uniquely yours. Whether you try just one idea or all of them over time, you'll see how small changes can create big joy. Let us know in the comments. Which idea will you try first? And don't forget to subscribe to Cozy Nest Life, where every video brings you closer to a calm, creative outdoor life you love.